When someone loses their life and it's not their fault in Georgia, there can be something called a wrongful death claim. That is the claim that belongs to the estate of the person who's no longer alive, meaning it belongs to the person who's dead, not the relative. It belongs to the person who died. And part of the value of that claim is the value of that person's life to themselves. Did they love life? Did they enjoy it? Did they get a lot out of it? And it doesn't mean financially, it means their experiences, the contributions they made, the relationships they made, the way they lived their life. And under Georgia law, the value of that is the enlightened conscience of the jury. The enlightened conscience of the jury is exactly as it sounds. It is the jury's estimation of what this person's life meant to them. I'll give you an example. If you have a wrongful death of a child who was never able to graduate high school, was never able to go on her first date, to get married, to have children, to accomplish things professionally, to accomplish more in her life than she was able to, the jury has to determine what that was worth to her, not what it was worth to her mother or to you, the juror, but what it was worth to her. And the jurors somehow have to come up with the value of that. As an attorney, one of my jobs is to make sure the jury understands what this person's outlook was like. Even though she was a child, she certainly had opinions, she had proclivities, she had habits, and we can look at those and all of the accomplishments and all the things that she talked about doing as a estimation of what she was actually going to do in her life. And that is one way that a jury can consider what the value of that person's life was. This topic is really sad, and it is not easy to put a value on someone's life, especially when that life was cut so short. But it's one of the ways we as a society and of the courts have attempted to try to make this person's loss be felt in a way that will hopefully deter bad behavior in the future.